Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Edoxi. They are offering medical coding training course. The duration is for 80 hours and they are covering ICD, HIPIC, CPT. These are the important topics to be covered. So this is a plus point. Okay, they have expert trainers as well. They will help you prepare for medical coding certification exams like CPC exam and mock tests. 1200 plus learners they have, and they have three modules. Medical coding systems, you'll get to learn an anatomy and medical terminology. Okay, if I talk about the curriculum, they have a comprehensive curriculum which will make you prepare for CPC exam, but they are not covering AI, which is the advanced topic to be covered. So this is a bit disadvantage. Comprehensive coding systems, ICD, CPT, HIPICS coding, these are the important coding systems for medical coding field. And also you'll get textbooks and e-learning resources for practical training part. Interactive group learning also, you'll get time coding exercises. You'll get to work on real world projects, and also you will work on projects that will help you build a strong portfolio. These are the modules they have, three modules: ICD, CPT, HIPICS. These are the important topics. Okay, these are the projects they have mentioned here in which you will work. Medical coding course outcome. Okay, you can check it out by yourself. Certifications you will be provided: CPC certification, and career opportunities they have mentioned. Training options, as I've already told you, they have live online training for 80 hours. Uh, Corporate training, in a sense, training delivered at star hotels, client premises, or at Edoxi classrooms. They don't have a specific classroom, but they have a corporate training for 10-day, which is a 10-day program. Okay. Okay, they have comprehensive curriculum, flexible learning options they have. Overall, the course is good, it is well designed, and here are the reviews. You may check it out by yourself. Okay, so now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, they are not aligned with AEPC, neither AHIMA, so I would give this 0. Updated and comprehensive curriculum, they have a good curriculum, it is well designed and comprehensive curriculum they have, but they are not covering AI, for which I would deduct 0.3 marks and I'll give this 0.7. Qualified and experienced instructors they have, so I would give this 1. Practical training and case studies, they have real world projects, so I would give this 1. Certification exam preparation support, yes, they will make you prepare for CPC exams, I would give this 1. Internship and job placement assistance, this part they haven't mentioned anything, so 0. Access to updating coding books and software, they have e-learning resources, also textbooks and practical and theoretical learning, but they are providing you with study materials, so I would give this 1. Flexible learning options, okay, the mode is online, but also they have 10 days of corporate training, so I would give this 1. Student reviews and success rate, it is there, you may check it out by yourself, so I would give this 1. Course fees, duration and payment option, Course fees is not mentioned. The duration is for 80 hours. So I'd give this 0.6. Okay, so the overall ranking we have here is 7.3, and they have a comprehensive curriculum. Also, they have real world projects which will be helpful, and they are providing books, textbooks, e-learning, but they are not recognized with APC or aligned with APC. So as per me, the course is good. It is well structured. It is well and good. You may look for it. And also, I have mentioned one of the best institute link in the description. You may check that too. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.